another Thursday video. If you're new here, this is Sam and I create videos on almost everything. So it's the second day of lockdown and we all are already bored. But as we are staying at home, I decided to make some easy fun DIYs to pass our time and stay isolated and safe at the same time. तो घर में ही बैठे हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब भी करते जाओ. So yeah, let's get started, shall we?
Open up, you OPN, hit you on BBM, we should be closer than friends, if you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda, request my chariot to get ya, the door's OPN, take that high road and hop in. So that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed and will recreate at least one of these. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel because I post videos twice a week. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I think I should take leave now until we meet on another Sunday. Allah Hafiz.